Okay, we have a Doosan Vertical Machining Center 4+1 axis machine and trunnion. Model DNM400, serial number DNM4000629. This machine was new in 2010 and we're going to run her for you. Machine has a FANUC control, OIMC. Again, it does have a ATS ACCU-ROCK AX140 trunnion table. That's 2200 RPM. It's a Cat 40 spindle. It goes up to 12,000 RPM. It's a very quiet machine. 4,500 RPM. 6,750 RPM. There's 30 inches of X-axis travel, 17.1 of Y, and 20.1 of Z. You have a side-mounted tool changer, 30 ATC. Automatic tool changer, 30 ATC. The control, again, is a 4-axis control with an indexer box for the trunnion. That's your Z-axis. Your Y, and your X. Those axes are quiet. We're going to get in there and show you the trunnion moving. Have to see that. It's going to jog the rotary. So the trunnion part is a 1 degree and the rotary part of the trunnion is a full. This machine is also equipped with a chip conveyor, and it has twin augers that feed to the chip conveyor. And the machine is also equipped with coolant through the spindle. Hey, thank you for watching our video.